Welcome back to the channel, Bad Seed Brighton. I think I'm nearly 100% again after my muscle injury. Having said that, fell off a ladder yesterday. That wasn't brilliant. We've got another video in the workbench series. It's going to be the last installment for now. This has been an evolving project as it's gone along. After I started building the workbench, my plans to move abroad, move to France, really developed and moved on. So I haven't perhaps finished the bench to the standard that I would ultimately like, but with the limitations I have at the moment, I'm pretty satisfied with where it's at for an amateur hobbyist woodworker. So the objectives today, I'm going to put some supports underneath the desk, stop the drawers dropping down, and then we'll have the stretchers on. We'll have the bottom shelf arrangement. There's some braces that I want to show, and I think we'll show the bench with the top on, although the top's not sanded or properly attached. And then rather than use it, I'm going to dismantle it and it'll go into storage. But hopefully to re-emerge like a phoenix in La Belle France. All right, let's crack on. Well, there you go then. Drawer supports on rougher wood. Will they work? So we took a plumber's merchant's pallet and we put legs on the side and we added braces to that. And then make it a bit stronger, put some runners on it. Which did do a lot for stability. And then we put a shelf on it. And then we added drawers. Not one, but two. And we added drawer supports. So when we pulled them out, they didn't drop. And then we added braces to give it even more support. And then we added a top, which I was never really happy with. And I'm even unhappier with it now. It looks like one of those bridges you see the adventure hero trying to cross when he knows he's dicing with death. That's supposed to be flat. I think it would work better if I actually unglued it and just screwed it bit by bit to the tabletop. Having said that, I'm not opposed to covering it with a larger piece of wood also. But that's it. That is going to conclude, for now, the workbench. Okay, we're going to have to pick this up again. When we get to France, we've got to do something about that top. I'll let you into a secret. The back stretcher broke as I was attaching it today. That's held on with a screw at the moment, but you can't see that. Okay. 4 out of 10, room for improvement. There we go. Could be better, could be worse. We'll revisit this. En France, we'll revisit this. Thanks for watching. It'll be a while now until I've got something else to update. Although there are some other things on the horizon. I'll be adding new playlists. Alright, listen, thank you for watching. If you've watched throughout, if you've watched the series, thank you so much. It's been a struggle last week, just coping with a couple of muscle injuries. But like I've said before, I really enjoy doing this. And you know, if you're lucky enough, if you're privileged enough to have the space to get out, do some woodwork, do it. I find it really cathartic. I do find it really enjoyable. I don't profess to be very good, but pick up some tools. Wood's a lovely material to work with. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. Have a great week. I'll see you again.